Hello everyone. There's still 1 minute to go, and I'll be waiting for our viewers to join so that I can start the live video. So, hello everyone. Good evening. I hope you are taking care of yourself during this pandemic. And let me start with a quote. Working in hotel and hospitality is not a job, but a lifestyle. Passion and genuine interest are crucial components for success in this industry. So, hello everyone, and I want to start off by introducing myself. I am Rishabh Jaiswal, and I have done my schooling from St. Thomas's Day School, Kolkata, and I'm very proud of it. And I'm currently pursuing bachelor's in hotel management from Indian Institute of Hotel Management. So I would like to say that. When I was when I finished my class 12 and all, so I was thinking about how to about this industry, about hotel. I was passionate about hotel industry. I had a passion to join hotel industry, but I was confused what to do, and what college should I choose. And so I was very much worried about many of the students who are appearing for their boards right now, so they must be thinking like that now also. So even I was worried, and as an applicant, I filled a lot of forms, like online forms. So, and then I went to institute as well. So I was worried about my career, and I was going through the forms and all. So as I was going to all the colleges, some colleges guided me well, some did not guide me well. I was shocked hearing about some colleges' fee structure, which was actually touching the sky. It was 8 to 10 lakhs rupees. And it's not important that you spend more. The more you spend, it's not that the more you earn. So, it's you need to be more research. You need to do more research. So I was continuously doing my things. I was searching for the college which can give me a great career. And then I came across Indian Institute of Hotel Management. So the first day I went for filled the form and all. So I went to the college. I met few of the students and all. And they were so humble. I met few of the seniors and all. So they were so humble. They were so generous, and they answered each and every question whatever I asked them about the college. And the best part of about the college is the students. They are so transparent, and they answer you truly. They'll tell you everything whatever is true about the college. So starting from the security guard till the student, the hospitality was the way the security guard greeted us. He took us inside, and how he talked to us, and then he gave us a glass of water. So that shows the hospitality. One thing I liked about Indian Institute of Hotel Management was it has a simplicity with the professional attitude. The first meeting I had with our respected director ma'am, Mrs. Navneeta Kaur, and she was so humble, she was so generous. She made me understand what is hotel management. And she explained me what is hotel management, and she explained me what you can get out of this industry, where not other colleges focused on. हर कॉलेज ने ये फोकस नहीं किया कि मेरी को समझाने के लिए कि what I'll get through this industry, and ये होटल इंडस्ट्री होता क्या है. But Indian Institute of Hotel Management, they focused on explaining me what is hotel management, and what I can get out of this industry. So, and I was satisfied with my queries. My answers were cleared. So I went on to the admission process. I filled up the form and I came back. As an applicant, I filled forms for many colleges and all. So I was waiting for a particular college, because this was the college only which gave me satisfaction. I came back home, and I told my parents. So I told my parents about the college, because my parents also visited many colleges, and they were not satisfied with other colleges. For this college, I went with my friend. Then after that, I was waiting for the call and all. So I was this waiting period was very bad. It was so curious. It was making me so curious to know about the industry. And by the time I was going through the YouTube pages, and I was going to they had videos in YouTube, and they had official pages in which I'm going live on right now. So I was visiting the pages and all. So it was I was just going through, and I was just and this college was something which I wanted, because you know I have come from an institute that like my school institute, which is full of culture, full of activities. And you know, not every college has like events, and not that kind of events. But over here, which I have gone through the videos and through the events and all, so there were so many videos, so many events happening in the college. So I was excited. I wanted similar kind of college, like I wanted similar kind of college like my school and all. So you know, I was waiting for the call, but I was not getting a call. So I was worried. I called up my friends, I called up my relatives and my cousins, and I was like, bro, I'm not getting a call. I guess I'm not selected. They did not like my interview, and maybe something like that. It did not work out or not. So I was thinking of like moving out with some other institute. And because since I was not getting any call from Indian Institute of Hotel Management, so I was thinking on to move out with some other institute. So but then suddenly I got a call that Rishabh, you are selected and you can come for the online process, like you can come for the procedures. So I was like shocked, happy, and I was very happy. I told my parents were happy and curious, because they had a lot of queries, you know. They had a lot of queries, they had a lot of questions, because obviously parents are worried. They support you in whatever you do. Thank God, thanks to my parents, like they supported me in whatever I wanted to do. Every parent should do that to support the child, because if you don't love what you're doing, you'll never be successful in that thing. You need to love what you're doing. You need to have passion for whatever you're doing. Forcefully nothing is done, and you cannot go heights. So you know, so I told my parents, and I came to college, the campus, with my parents. My parents had a lot of queries and all. So they met our director ma'am, Miss Nabinita Kaur, and she guided them, and she explained them how what is hotel management and whatever, the full thing, parents counseling. They were very much impressed. They you know, like they were very much impressed with it. Everything was going good, like the queries were solved, you know, everything. So they were happy with their queries, whatever, it was solved. So you know, my parents were happy, but still, you know, that curiosity still goes back on their mind, that is this college okay, because it's gonna give my son a career. So you know, I have a brother as well, so they were thinking like, will this college give me career? So I was grateful, you know, I have people in this industry who are working in this industry. So my parents contacted them, and they were having a conversation with them, that is this college good, like is this college good for career, and can I put my son in this college? So what replies they got, what comments they got was so warm, and so you know, so it was okay. So then I came back, we filled up the forms and all, everything, the procedures were done, we moved on further. So then we had all the admission process were done. The first day of my college, that was 26th of July. So I went to the college. I was nervous, because college life is totally different. You come out of your comfort zone, and you know, you just mix with new people, because in school life you are in your comfort zone where you know all the people and everyone. But college life is something, you know, you get to know everything is everything is new for you, even the infrastructure, the friends, the faculties, the professors, everyone is like new to you. So I was scared but excited as well, because this is what I wanted to do in life. So my first day we went, and we got that essential kits and all. Now what hotel management students get, we got knife and we got all the essential goods. Then we had a first, you know, so director ma'am came, and she came, and she gave the introduction of herself to everybody, though everyone knew her from before. Sorry for the interruption. The network is giving problem, because we are having a cyclone, so the network is giving a bit of problem, so that's why the video got stopped. So you know, the first class we had, so with our director ma'am, there was a person who was standing with her, and you know, like I was curious to know that who is this person, because he was so well suited and like all them like groomed and properly suited and all, you know. So I was curious to know who this person is. So I was like, maybe a faculty or a professor or HOD or maybe someone. Then she introduced that he's your principal, and Mr. DJ Gomes, and I was shocked yet happy, because he had a great personality, and we were lucky enough that our first class was of our respected principal sir. So he told us about grooming. He gives us tips about grooming, which is very much important in this industry. Grooming is the most important thing in this industry, which everyone's require. Without grooming, you are nowhere. So we had a class. He gives us whatever the rules and regulations a student need to follow in his college life. So everything was like, and the first class got over, then the classes got started and all. Like then my parents came to the college, for fees thing and all. So for paying the fees and all, so they came and they saw so many students outside, like all around in Salt Lake Sector 5. So they were all roaming. They're from different colleges. So my parents came and asked that what about the discipline, because here everyone is roaming around, other colleges students. So they asked like around the stalls and all the people. So they said that we never saw this college students outside, because they only come out at like break time period. So that they like that discipline which we have, we are only allowed to go out of the college only during break time. We are not allowed to go anywhere outside. So that gave my parents a bit of confidence that yes, this college can shape professionals, and it's not like unlike other colleges, but this college focuses on student to make a better professionals. So I'll tell you, this industry requires two things which is very much important for this industry. One is respectful. You need to be respectful. In order to get respect, you need to give respect. You need to give respect to your like seniors, you need to give respect to your juniors, you need to give respect to your colleagues and your friends, whatever. You have to give respect to everyone. It's like give and take policy, but you have to give respect, you have to be respectful. The second is you have to be positive. Being positive is very important. Without positive, अगर आप positive नहीं हो तो लाइफ में आप कभी आगे नहीं बढ़ पाओगे. पॉजिटिव होना बहुत ज़रूरी है लाइफ में. सो पॉजिटिविटी प्लेज एन वेरी इमेंस रोल इन दिस इंडस्ट्री, एंड no matter in this industry, you have to be positive in whatever you do. Like not only in hotel management or a management institute, in any other colleges, like you have to be positive. If you're not positive enough, you'll not move forward. So I'll give you an example. Like in a college, if something is not happening, so if the student gives up on that thing कि चलो अरे नहीं हो रहा है तो let's forget it out, let's move on, छोड़ दो इसको. तो but what are faculties, what are professors, they do, they tell the students like why this thing is not happening, what are the reasons this thing is not happening. So they give you solutions कि how it can happen. So they guide you, they give you so much of positivity that thing happens, and they push you to the extent that you can do whatever, not only in your boundaries, but you can cross your boundaries and you can achieve your goal. I'll give you an example which I myself gone through. We have pre-Durga Puja celebration in our college. So like we have Durga Puja celebration in a college. So I'm not from a Bengali background, so I cannot speak Bengali properly, but then and Gana to dur ki baat. But what my mentors, my faculties, they said that you can do it. At least you can give a try. We know you can do it. Just give it a try. So I was like, no ma'am, no sir, it won't happen. I don't know how to speak properly. So they were like, no, you should give a try, because it is very important to try something. Unless and until you try, you won't know that you can do or you cannot do. So it came in my mind, chalo, at least I should try once. I should try once. No matter what, I'll do good, I won't, but at least I should try. So I learnt up the Bengali song, that is Shreya Ghoshal song. So I learnt up the Bengali song. So and I sang. I sang in the program, and I don't know how much I did, like how well I did, but though I received a beautiful medal for it, but what made me happy and what made me satisfied, like that I tried. अगर हम नहीं कोशिश किया होता तो हम वो बाउंड्री से आगे नहीं निकल पाता. Because I come from a English medium school and like a Christian school where we only focus on English songs. Though we do for Hindis, but lekin English we sing. I was in the choir and I used to sing English songs. So everything focuses was only in English songs. So Bengali song was nowhere in the thing. So I have never ever attempted. So but this was the first time which I did, and I was very much impressed with myself and self-satisfaction that I did something. I did, and I'm happy what I did. So that's what is it. You like they motivate you in every possible way they can. You know, one example our director ma'am gave, you know, in class, that if you अगर आप गाड़ी चला रहे हो एंड अगर आपके सामने कोई गड्ढा आ जाता है तो आप क्या करोगे? आप गाड़ी को सीधा चलाते चलाते वो गड्ढे पे गिर जाओगे, कि आप दूसरा रूट लेके, मतलब you'll take a diverse route and you'll move forward, you'll continue your journey. आप क्या करोगे बताओ? Obviously you'll take the another route and you'll move forward in life. So that's what we are taught in Indian Institute of Hotel Management, taught by a professor, our mentors, that we should never stop in life, no matter what. We should keep moving, you know. We should never stop. We should keep moving no matter what obstacles come in your way. Take a diverse route and move forward in life. Don't, if you know there is a problem, try solving it and get over it and just move on in life, because that is not the end. You know, you need to move forward in life. So there is like a lot of things happening. So you need to keep move forward in life, and so much of positivity what our mentors and our professors they give. So just it's so warmly, you know. So I would say, I'll tell you one thing, in our college now we don't have any barriers. What I have seen in other colleges, you know, I have friends in other colleges and in other institutes, not only in management institute, in other institutes like engineering and other, I won't name the institute, but I have friends all over the place. So, and not only in Calcutta, outside Calcutta as well. So they are like, do you talk to your like higher authorities, like your principal or your director? And we are like, yes, we do. Because, and they are like, what, you can communicate with your higher authorities? Well, yes, we do. We don't have that kind of boundaries that we cannot reach the higher authorities. We can definitely reach out to them anytime, and they are always there to help us, always, you know. Like whatever I have seen, I have experienced it myself, you know. I'll tell you that it's whatever time it is, whatever, even if it's midnight, late night, whatever, if you know you have a problem and you have no one speaking, like you have no one to speak to, you can drop in your message in WhatsApp, and definitely, not maybe not that point of time, but definitely you'll get a reply back, and you'll definitely, they'll come up with a solution, and you'll definitely have a like solution to your problems. So you know, there's no boundaries in our college. We can reach out to the authorities anytime with our any problem. Even with our seniors, you know, our seniors are so humble, they are so generous to the juniors, and they are like, they are ready to help anytime, even if they are busy, like with the busy schedules, they are doing ITs and whatever, they are busy with their life, but they are still generous enough, they are so humble that they reply you, and they're ready to help you anytime. So, you know, in our college, we don't have that kind of boundaries, which I see in other colleges. And it just feels so warm and so heartily that, thank God, I have got something like, I feel blessed that I've got college like this. It's just my experience, you know. I'm sharing what I have felt in this 1 year. I'm still a learner. I have just completed 1 year. I have still 2 years left. So, you know, it just feels so warm and so like, you know, heartily, that you can reach out to the authorities, unlike other colleges where they are not allowed to cross this boundary. And then in our college we have friends from all over the India, like all parts of the India we have it, and from outside as well. So we have it from Bhutan, we have it from Nepal, and then Kerala, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, so Bangladesh. So you know, this is the platform where we get to communicate, we get to exchange our culture. Like not like in school life you don't get to like communicate with that kind of boundary, like I would say that kind of culture, because in your school life you have your students, your friends and all, your batchmates all around from your cities only, no one from outside, because there are not much, like every state has their own school and best schools and colleges. And so like Indian Institute of Hotel Management, so this is located in Sector 5. So you know, like this is the platform where you need to meet new people, and you are allowed to explore, and we get people from all over these states and country. We are located in West Bengal, so definitely we have a lot of people from Bengal. So this is the common platform, you know, where we can exchange. हम लोग वार्तालाप कर सकते हैं, हम लोग लाइक एक दूसरे से बात कर सकते हैं, एक दूसरे के बारे में जान सकते हैं, एक दूसरे के कल्चर के बारे में वी कैन नो ईच लाइक though we are taught foreign language in our college, but still if you have friends from somewhere like Kerala and if you want to learn that language, so you can definitely talk to that friend and that friend can definitely help you learn that communication. It's just part of your communication, you know. It is so important to learn new languages and like to open up, and this is the right platform, you know. You get to explore, you get to like come out of your own boundaries. So it happens, you know, like in a like Indian Institute of Hotel Management has a lot of events in the sense like as a student in my school, St. Thomas's Day School, and so I have been through a lot of events, but the events like stage shows and Christmas carols and debate and a lot of events, food mela, and so but like in college life, you know, which I have seen here, you see a different kind of events, you know, like there are events we started from Independence Day, from you have World Tourism Day, you have Teachers Day celebration, you have then we had Carnival, annual fest, and then we had food festival, we had cake mixing festival, we had Christmas festival, we have Durga Puja celebration, Saraswati Puja. We celebrate each occasion with a blast, you know. We have each event, even we celebrated Valentine's Day, we celebrate Holi. So you know, this is the platform where I got to explore a lot of events, because I come from a school where I have experienced a lot of events. So I wanted similar kind of college where I will get to explore myself more, and because this is the events and the extra, because I am a very active student and I love taking part in activities and events and all. So I wanted a similar college, and thank God I got this college, because it has immense of, you know, events and lot of events going on. So I was happy that I got this college. Then you know what happened, we had Japanese food festival in February. You know what was so good, we had chefs from Japan who came into our college and who were there for 1 week, who did seminars every day, who taught us like what to do, how to make this dish, what are the dishes. And the students have a lot of queries, because this is the like culture, and this is the Japanese is a thing which we don't know much about it. So we need to learn about it. We need to, like, unlike what other colleges do. Like I have been to food fest of other colleges. I have been, because I have my friends and my cousins from other institutes. So, you know, I have been to the food festival of other colleges, and it was just like a food mela. They put up stalls and the food names were written, and you can just go and eat and like, buy and eat. But what I have seen over here, like you get to experience, you get to learn the culture, you get to go through the culture, you know. It's not like a food mela that the stalls are put up and everything is gone like that. No, we are introduced to the culture, to the language, to the, you know, the dresses, whatever they wear. So, you know, in a food festival, we had chefs from outside, and they came in, they had seminars of 1 week. We had classes, we had practical classes, they taught us how to make dishes. And, you know, what was the best part? We had all teams divided. Like F&B was focusing on food and beverage service, and food production was all in food items. There was communication department, guest relation. So guest relation was mostly focusing on communication with the guest. So, you know, what was so nice and catchy? The students, they learned Japanese words, you know. I was a part of guest relation, and the guest relation people were supposed to wear kimono, which was the authentic dress of Japan. So, you know, that was so, it was like, if you enter to that thing, you'll get to know that yes, you have entered that zone of Japanese food festival. You can just explore, starting from the you know, the lightings, the decorations, the food, the music, the cultural part. There were students who put up beautiful dance, there was song, there was fashion show. So, you know, it was not only a kind of a food mela, but it was altogether a culture of everything we got to know everything. So we learned a new language which was very much interesting. So I'll tell you, like, Fudu Fesuto Oyakuson. So this means welcome to the food festival. So this is just the example. So it was immense, it was so good. And I know college life and memories are very much important for everyone. No matter how big you become, like even if you become a general manager of a hotel or anything, no matter how big post you become, you will always cherish the memories which you spent in your college life and your school life. That's why we have school reunions, that's why we have college reunions and get-togethers, so that we can cherish our memories again. So you have to have a beautiful memory to cherish. And definitely I have made a hell lot of experience in this 1 year, and 2 more years still left. So I'm very excited for this 2 years. And I want to thank my college, that is I want to thank my school, that is St. Thomas's Day School, for making me what I am today. For building my roots, for making me what I am today in my communication skills, from a personality development. But I'll thank my college as well, that is Indian Institute of Hotel Management, for polishing my roots. Because Indian Institute of Hotel Management is helping me to build a better professional, for making me a better professional, and for building a better lifestyle and a better career. So thank you. All my blessings to my school, St. Thomas's Day School, and all my blessings to my college, that is Indian Institute of Hotel Management. So even if whatever you do in life, no matter how much anyone pushes you, unless and until you push yourself, nothing is possible. Unless and until like you work hard, you move, you take step by step, like, so you will not success in life. What as a student I do a lot of things. I go through the PDFs, I revise the notes whatever I get in college, and I go through the PDF notes, I go through all my notes, I read novels. I read novels to improve my communication skills. And that is very important. In this industry, you need to have a very good communication skills. And it's not like that you must be thinking that I don't have a communication skills power, so I cannot communicate. Everyone can communicate. Communication skill does not mean only English. Communication skills does not only means English. Communication and language is two different things. We all can communicate. We communicate in day-to-day life. Even if you're sitting at home and if you want a glass of water from your mother, so unless and until you communicate with her, she won't understand. So everyone can communicate. But yes, English is also important in this industry, because it is the most used language in this industry. So we have faculties, we have professors who develops your communication skills, who make you better. They teach you from scratch. So you can learn immensely, and you can grow like how much you want. So you need to work hard upon yourself. I work hard every day. I study 2 to 3 hours. I write journals, whatever I've been through, I've given from my college. So I go through my journals, and I write it down, everything, whatever I don't understand, I ask my professors. They are always there to help you. It is so warm and so heartily welcome, that they are always ready to help you no matter what. वो लोग हमेशा रहते हैं आपका मदद करने के लिए, चाहे वो कोई भी टाइम हो. आप एक मैसेज करो. आप अभी तो फिलहाल जैसे नहीं हो पा रहा, अभी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस है, यू कैन क्लियर योर डाउट्स इन ऑनलाइन क्लासेस एज वेल. So you have to work hard self. You need to do a lot of research. In this industry, working hard, I do a lot of research nowadays, because this industry is called something like, it grows every day. It's a growing industry, and something or the other like new thing is coming up every day. So you need to have a lot of research about it. So I do a lot of research. Something like, some hotels are coming up, where the hotels are coming up, what are the like what are the localities near that, what are the historical places. So about the hotel industry. So you need to keep like researching more and more, because this industry is all about researching. Every day something new or the other modernization is happening. So now during this lockdown period, we are having online classes. So definitely virtual teaching can never replace the you know, the what fun we have in the class. But definitely our professors are working so hard. They're working day and night to prepare the notes, to prepare the videos, and to give us notes. Whatever we are getting, every day we are having class. So, you know, every day we are having online classes in each subject. And if you don't understand anything, you can ask the professor anytime. They are always there to help you. You know, that is so good, you know. Like, it's not like there is 40-minute session and you 1 hour session, you need to finish up your doubts and all within that. No, you get your, solving your time. Online classes are so well maintained. You know, our professors are working so hard, so hard. Our principal sir, our director ma'am, they're working so hard for making the schedule, for preparing the meetings, whatever. Today itself, we have a parent-teacher meeting from 8 o'clock. So, you know, everything is going on. Nothing is stopping, you know, nothing can stop us. We are only stuck. Our body cannot move. But our mind, we can reach out to everyone. We can roam around everyone, you know. So let your mind explore. Do whatever you can, you know. And I'll tell you one thing, if you want to connect with me through Facebook, my Facebook ID is Rishabh Jaiswal, RISHAB JAISWAL. You can drop me a personalized message and I'll be a happy senior to help you. If you want to know anything about my college, anything more about my college, I'll definitely I'll look forward for your message, and you can drop your personalized message anytime. So you can connect through me via Facebook. My Facebook ID is Rishabh Jaiswal. So, you know, what I liked about this college, Indian Institute of Hotel Management, I had a passion for hotel management. I'll tell you very truly, you know, I had a passion for hotel management, but building that interest in my passion was only done by Indian Institute of Hotel Management. Other colleges were focusing on that they'll place you abroad and they'll place you internationally. That's what they were focusing on. And the fee structure, that this is the fee structure for your 3 years. And so this is the fee structure you need to pay. And so just look forward for this and you'll be placed internationally. But that's what not I was waiting for. I was waiting for a clear, you know, perception, clear answer. Because I had a passion for hotel industry, but Indian Institute of Hotel Management built interest in my passion, you know. So that's what I liked about, you know. So I'll tell you one thing, joining this college or not, whatever college you join, do a lot of research. You know, you need to do a lot of research because it's just for yourself. You need to be confident in the college which you are going, because it's your career at the end of the day. So you need to do a lot of research, go through online and like Google reviews. You can definitely check the Google reviews of Indian Institute of Hotel Management and you'll get the reviews. You know, you can definitely get in touch with the seniors. You can definitely get in touch with the students, because I'll tell you, the best thing of the college is the students. They are transparent. They give you a clear picture about the college. So you can definitely look forward to the college, do a lot of research and be confident in whatever college you are going. I'll not say that you have to come to my college or if you have to come to Indian Institute of Hotel Management. I won't say that. But whatever college you are going to, but if you come to our college, you're most welcome. But whatever college you are going to, be confident in that college. Because unless and until you're confident, you won't be able to do anything in your life. You won't be able to move forward, because you'll have that doubt in your mind somewhere or the other that, will I get a good career because I'm not confident enough in this college. You'll have that question back of your mind. Like as a student, even I was there when I was filling up the forms as an applicant, when I attended other colleges and all, filled the form and all. So I was not confident about other colleges. With confident, I got in Indian Institute of Hotel Management. That's why I looked forward for this institute. So, I will say that I was very delightful and happy to share you my experience, because I was very happy to share you my experience. This was my experience, my story. Your career and your story, your experience depends upon you. You need to take a decision. You need to take a decision and you need to do all the research you want to do. You know, like if you want to pick up some points from the life, you can definitely pick up the points, because you know, I'll tell you a secret. Even I did when I was going to join this college, and I applied some of the points. So you can definitely pick up some points as a well-wisher, and you can just implement. So I would just tell you, just be confident in whatever you do, no matter whichever college you go. You know, about, like, I'll say, you be confident. You have to be confident in whatever you're doing. So I was in touch with some of the seniors of, like, and they were so humble. I'll tell you some of the seniors, like Orchil Datta, Nabil Ahmed, Abhishek Singh, and then Riya Bhaskar. These were the, like, seniors I had a word with before joining college and after joining college as well. And they were so generous, they were so humble, being so busy in their schedule, and some of them were doing IT as well. So being in their schedule, and still they looked forward to help the junior. They looked forward to help someone, because that's what we are taught in Indian Institute of Hotel Management, to be positive, to help everyone around you. We should always help everyone around you, you know. So I will tell you, like, as a student, I am sharing this video in my school, so as many as people can go through this video, I would like to tell you that you please share the video in your school community, in your Facebook, so that we can reach as many students we want. And we can, as a senior, we can help the juniors to give a career guidance. Though even if they don't want to join the management institute, it's okay. अगर वो लोग को मैनेजमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट नहीं ज्वाइन करना है, या अगर वो लोग को, you know, it happens कि इंजीनियरिंग ज्वाइन करना है, but still हम लोग को अपना पार्ट तो करना चाहिए. हम लोग अपने तरफ से let us do whatever we can, and let's share this video, you know. So I'll end this live with a quote of Mother Teresa. You know, you should never stop. I'll tell you something in life, we should never stop. And we should never keep something for, like, we'll do it tomorrow, or like just postponing the thing. Yeah, I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it day after tomorrow. We should do it now. So I'll end my live video with a quote of Mother Teresa. Yesterday is gone. Tomorrow has not yet come. We have only today. So let us begin. So I will tell you, start from now. Start working on yourself. As you are locked down, as this pandemic is going on, as we cannot move out, start working on yourself, as I'm also working on myself a lot. And my mentors are guiding me every day, you know. It's my experience. So I'll tell you, start working, you know, start working on yourself. Start working that, yes, I can do. Start doing a lot of research. So thank you for being such a wonderful listener. Thank you for being in my life. Stay safe, stay indoor, and stay happy. Thank you so much.